Hello everyone. This video will demonstrate how to revise your NSU REB application. The IRB will review your protocol and request revisions or changes if needed to be completed by you, the principal investigator. The PI will receive a notification through email, and this is an example of the notification that you will receive. It will be titled Revisions Required along with your IRB ID. It will also include the title of your protocol and an attached note from the IRB stating that your protocol has been reviewed and needs additional information. Below the note, you will notice a section titled Application Comments. This will include the section of your application that needs reviewing. In this case, it is the Purpose and Procedures section of my protocol. And this includes the question that needs revisions along with the comments made by the IRB about the changes. Let's revise the application. Please remember that the notification requested revisions from the Purpose and Procedures section. So, click the drop-down arrow to expand this section. Please ensure to read the IRB's comment on the changes to be made before moving forward. You may place your cursor over the comments button and it will appear. The comments states that the answer to the question uses technical terms that are not useful for the purposes of the IRB. Please review the answer to describe the study's purpose in non-technical terms. So, to make the changes, go ahead and click Answer. So, I am going to delete the part of the sentence that states to navigate the time-space envelope or continuum. And I'm going to change it to space. As you can see, I have deleted the part of the sentence that states navigate the time-space envelope or continuum and add the word space since it is less technical. The line through the part of the sentence means that it has been deleted, and you will also notice the replacement term. After you revise your application, ensure that you are finished before submitting those changes. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Answers. You will notice beside the Comments button, it says Revisions Submitted, and this means that your revision was submitted to the IRB. You must click the Save Answers button to submit your revisions to the IRB for each question. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the NSU REB office.